After a few months of search and comparison, I finally found the best target Swiss point tip. This is a target SLK Look Littler 42mm tip. It's made out of steel. Open it up. You can see the surface has special grinding technology, so you can see it has more friction when you put the finger on. It has a good reference point. It's about a 42mm long. I'm going to use the famous target Bolide Style 1 dart to test the throwing and also test the feeling. The original tip is about a 26mm, very short. Now I switch to the 42 long, the new tip. You can see the comparison. The original one was very short. I cannot even put my index finger on it. And this one is long, 42mm, very comfortable to hold it. I can get a more reference point. Here's my secondary favorite Swiss point. This one has the surge gripping. It's about a 40mm long. Now here we can compare the original, secondary, and the best 42 Swiss point. You can see my secondary favorite one has the surge gripping versus the favorite one has the grinding finish. The grinding finish 42mm tip is the best. Now we can see some throwing test. This is one because it's 42mm long. It has an extra length preventing collision between the darts. It has a very stable flight. I'm using the short flights. Very good quality, 5